Second problem here says you've got an object moving along, again in the xy plane. The only thing they give you in this problem is what dy dt is, and dx dt is not explicitly given. At t equals 3, they are giving us the point, which is x comma y. Okay, first thing is I want to find the y coordinate of the position at t equals 1. So think about what you're trying to find. You're trying to get to y equals 1. What are you given? You're given dy dt. So you should be thinking, okay, I should integrate y prime to get to y. I want to use 1 as one of my bounds. The only other bound that you have information about is 3. So I'm going to use 1 and 3 as my bounds. Antiderivative of y prime is y. So plug in the upper bound, subtract the lower bound. So this is what we're trying to find. So y of 1 is really y of 3 minus the integral from 1 to 3 of y prime. Y of 3 was given, which is 5. And then this you're going to do on your calculator. And if you do it, you're going to get 1.269 as my answer. Okay. Next part says at time t equals 3, dy dx is negative 1.8. I want to find dx dt. Okay, so think about what you're trying to do. You have dy dx. You're trying to find dx dt. We're working in parametric. So you should be thinking about the slope of a parametric. So you should be thinking how these are related. So we know that in parametric, dy dx is dy dt divided by dx dt. They give me dy dx. They gave us dy dt up at the top. It's 2 plus sine. I want to know what happens at time t equals 3. So I'm going to plug in 3 for t. And then I do not know what dx dt, which is what I'm looking for. So this is kind of my setup. And what I'm trying to do is I need to somehow find this equation on the bottom. Okay, there are a couple ways you can do this. Really, you can solve any equation on the calculator, right? You can type this into y1. This whole right side can be typed into your calculator as y2. Just make your dx dt be x, and then find the intersection. So you're going to find it's at negative 1.636. Okay, speed of an object in parametric is just dx dt squared plus dy dt squared. And I want to know what happens at t equals 3. So again, at t equals 3, dx dt is the number we just found here. So you're going to take this, and then dy dt was given above, so that's 2 plus sine of e cubed, squared. Just punch this out on your calculator, 3.368.